Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what you can do in order to fix a Bluetooth connection on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. If you have troubles with connecting your earbuds or something else, or any Bluetooth device in fact, with your Motorola device, let me show you what you need to do. So the first thing that we can do is restart the Bluetooth. So we can open the quick access, and over here we should find Bluetooth. We can turn it off and then turn it back on. We can also go to the settings and then choose connected devices, and then over here you should be able, of course, to find your devices. Now if you have earbuds, make sure to open the case in order to find your device. In my case, I'm gonna forget about these in order to make sure that they can be found. And of course, keep in mind that you need to enter the pairing mode on your Bluetooth device so that they can be detected by other device as well as connected. So in case of these earbuds, over here there is a space for a light. If it's green, then it means they are connected. If I press this button over here and enter the pairing mode, then the light should turn white and it should be flashing. There we go. So this means now that my Bluetooth device is in pair mode and it should be able to be detected by other devices. So over here we can now press pair new device, and then we will see if we can find our earbuds in available devices. And there we go, I can find mine. So I can tap on it and proceed with pairing. Now of course this is one of the examples how we can fix the issue. So once again, keep in mind that sometimes you have to enter the pair mode on your device. The other thing that we can do is to reset the Bluetooth settings on your device, on your smartphone. So let's go back to the main menu of the settings. Let's scroll down. Then we want to go to System and then choose Reset Options. And over here we have Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So if we tap over here, then we need to confirm that we want to reset. So let's press. And there we go. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi have been reset. So now we can go back to the settings. Once again, go to the connected devices and try to pair your Bluetooth device. So once again, enter the pair mode and then pair new device on your smartphone and try to find your Bluetooth device. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer, but there we go. Now I can find mine. And let's pair once again. Now, the last thing that you can consider when you have trouble with connecting your Bluetooth device to your Motorola smartphone is that you might need to perform a hard reset of your Bluetooth device. Now, of course, depending on the type of device that you have, you might need to do something different. So it is quite hard to explain in just this one simple video how to hard reset every Bluetooth device. But the general idea is that you might need to reset that. And in addition to that, if that doesn't help, you might also need to hard reset your smartphone, your Motorola smartphone. So although it might be heartbreaking, if you insist on connecting the Bluetooth device, you might go to, once again, to System, Reset Options, and then you can erase all data and do the factory reset. And then you can check once again if it's possible to connect to your Bluetooth device. Of course, this is not guaranteed, and sometimes there might be some other issues with the Bluetooth device, which makes it impossible to connect. So keep that in mind as well. This is not guaranteed to fully fix your device, although I really hope that those steps will become helpful to you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!